Hey guys, we're here to do a hobby box break of TOPPS Stadium Club 2019 baseball. Picked this up at my local card shop. So, I'm going to really quickly get into this. Love the photography in this product. I've watched a couple people break various products of this, like value packs, blaster boxes, and hobby boxes. So I went ahead and bit the bullet, bought my own hobby box. So let's open it up here, see what we get. First thing, of course, is the oversized box loader, or top loader if you prefer, which is usually what I call them. Let's check this out, see what it looks like. See what it is. And it's Babe Ruth. Very nice. I love the new and old photography in these things. The product is just a beautiful product. The autographs have been hit or miss from what I've seen, but that's cool. Babe Ruth box loader. So, me and my friend V, who works at he has his own stand, well, actually has his own store now at the flea market. He picked up 4 packs of this product, and he actually pulled an autograph. Because I told him he had the last 2 packs on this side, and no, I had just 5 packs because he had 3 packs on this side, 2 packs on this side. I said, I've seen enough of these broken where if that is the actual last 2 packs from this side, you should pull an autograph, and he did. Brian Anderson, Jackie Robinson, Chris Bryant. I'm going to go through these a little slower than some other product just because the photography is so beautiful and give you guys a chance to look at it. It's got a great mix of action shots, portrait photography, and these great shots of people like on deck and Clayton Kershaw, I would think probably shot up in St. Louis with the horses that are behind it. Cody Bellinger, Manny Machado, I guess when he signed with the team. There's probably photo variants in here that I'm not aware of. I didn't really look up to see what the photo variants are. That's a variant of some kind because it's a red foil instead of the usual silver foil. I don't see it numbered anywhere. And as I'm pulling it up, there's the first autograph. Jose Brasino. So as I said, the autographs have been underwhelming. Yeah, it's a little underwhelming, but nice card, nice photography. An on-card auto, David Dahl, Starling Marte, and actually it's in the first stack. So my theory about being in the first, second, and fourth stacks is just blown out of the water right there. Charlie Blackmon, Eugenio Suarez. It's a cool shot of Chipper Jones getting ready to make contact with the ball. Todd Helton. Here's our first insert card. Warp Speed, Ahmed Rosario. This is one of the cooler shots that I've seen. I love this shot. Michael Fulmer with the ball. You can almost feel like you're the catcher, the umpire, the batter as he hurls the ball to home plate. It's a really good shot. And there's Gene Segura keeping the jeans high and tight. That's a cool shot. So you can see there's some studio photography in here. Portrait photography, headshots, action shots at bat in the field, on deck, coming out of the dugouts. There's some really cool photography in this set. It's like the best photography of any product I've seen this year, which is not unusual for Stadium Club. It's a cool Ernie Banks card. Nomar Mazara and Eric Hosmer. So that was the first stack. On to the second. Dennis Eckersley, Kevin Newman. Well, there's a cool rookie, Fernando Tatis. From looking at the prices online, I think the most expensive rookie card out of this, just base, is Pete Alonso, it appears. Emperors of the Zone, Justin Verlander, Houston. Bob Feller. Nicholas Castellanos. Giancarlo Stanton. That's a cool shot. Ruben Odor trying to complete the double play, I would think. The ball coming through the first baseman. Kevin Kramer rookie card. Hold on, what's this? Beam Team, Chris Sale. What exactly is Beam Team? Beam of Might. Hall of Famer Barry Larkin. Another cool shot. Plenty of cool shots in here. Wade Boggs signing autographs from the dugout. Kenley Jansen. Like, I just love the photography in this product. It's so good. The man who was leading the league in RBIs, he might still be. I'm not sure. I haven't checked the league leaders recently. He's leading the major leagues in RBIs, I believe. Our first Power Zone insert card, Alex Bregman. There's a cool Sandy Koufax, probably I would think commemorating his 100th career win with that ball. Or maybe 200. That's why he's holding up the two fingers. I don't know. Cool shot of Juan Soto. Because they got a great mix of Hall of Fame players in here. Old time players. I mean, even to the box topper, which was Babe Ruth. Cool shot of Andrew Benintendi getting doused with Gatorade, I would guess, or water, maybe ice water. There's a cool red foil Mel Ott. It would be nice if these were numbered, but unless I'm blind, which is a possibility, I don't see them being numbered anywhere. So, but still, red foil variant. Stadium Club Chrome. I think this is our first Chrome card. I didn't even know these were in here that I could remember. Darryl Strawberry. Nice looking card. Bob Gibson and Mike Piazza. It almost seems like half the set is current players and half the set is Hall of Famers, which I'm not complaining. I love getting Hall of Fame cards, especially ones these beautiful. These are beautiful. I mean, they're just such great photography. It's just, I mean, all these cards. I think it was Jabs on his channel said these cards are just screaming to be autographed, and they really are. They're just beautiful cards. And there's the base card of the Babe Ruth card. I've got some 5x7 screw downs that I ordered, and that will be going into one of those. The reason I ordered them is I bought a Frank Thomas box loader out of 10 gold foil box loader from this set. I just had to have it. It was a great shot. Frank Thomas is one of my all-time favorite players, so I got 4 5x7 screw downs just in case I bought some more of this product and got a cool box topper. So that Babe Ruth, keep going into one of those to protect it, because the larger cards are just so much harder to protect. Fred McGriff. Probably snagging a nasty one hopper at first base. There we go. Like I said, this is, I think, the most expensive base card in the set that I've seen. These are going for a decent amount on eBay. And for good reason. I mean, he's probably going to win Rookie of the Year in the National League, I would think. Unless he just collapses. This is an awesome shot of Ozzie Smith. Red foil of Reggie Jackson. And here's our next autograph. A little bit better autograph, but still a little underwhelming. Sorry if I'm not overreacting to these autographs, but good looking autograph right across the shirt. Nice and clear. Tuki Toussaint. So that's cool, I guess. You know, you're always wanting better players. So, Bo Jackson, Jackie Bradley Jr. hopping out of the dugout. And like I said, that red foil, Reggie Jackson. I mean, I've honestly pulled better auto out of TOPPS Big League with the Juan Soto out of 25, black and white variant. There's a cool shot of Jim Palmer with his high leg kick. D. Gordon, Carlos Martinez, Warp Speed, Ronald Acuna Jr., Jeff Samardzija, and Yasiel Puig. Aaron Judge taking some practice hacks. McGuire. No junior. It's a cool shot of senior, but I'd rather have a junior card, obviously. JD Martinez. Julio Arias. Which looks like a black and white variant, but I don't see a number on this one either. Beam Team Ichiro. One of the other big rookies, Eloy Jimenez. Lewis Brinson. And here we are into the last stack. Figured you'd get at least one numbered card out of here. Emperors of the Zone, John Smoltz, Honus Wagner. And we've got a variant of this strawberry. This is the regular base strawberry. And we got 3 packs left. Walker Buehler, Masahiro Tanaka. This is a really cool shot. I've seen this one of Edgar Martinez holding the bats with them on fire in the background. It's a really cool shot. Ichiro, red foil, Yadier Molina, Rhys Hoskins. Wow, that's cool. I can never have too many Eddie Murrays, so that's awesome to get for me. Other people might be underwhelmed, but he's my all-time favorite player, so always happy to get Eddie Murray's. Down to the last 2 packs. That's a cool shot. Like through the photographer's bay. And I'm not going to gush too much more of the photography. I guess through this video you've heard me talk about how awesome the photography is and off. Hideki Matsui, Power Zone, Andrelton Simmons, and there is the base Tuki Toussaint along with the autographed Tuki Toussaint. So, last pack, guys. We've already pulled both of our autos. As underwhelmed as I was by them, I apologize for that, but I'm in horrible back pain. I'm on a muscle relaxant right now, so I might be a little chill because of that too. But also they were underwhelming, so this is how we baseball. Max Kepler, red foil. Christian Yelich. Fromel Reyes. Okay, so I was so underwhelmed by that one go through these and pick out some of the cooler cards. Okay guys, we're back here. We started off the box opening, the box break, with the oversized box loader, which was Babe Ruth. Very cool. I was going to go through and pick out some of my favorite photography, but we'd have been here all night recapping it because such amazing photography. Start out with some of the cool inserts that you get. That's actually a red foil variant, parallel, and so then you get some cool inserts, then some variants, the red foil cards with the red foil name instead of silver. Got that black and white variant. We got the base card of this, and also this Stadium Club Chrome, which was the only one we got in the entire box. That's a little disappointing. You could have put 3 or 4 of those in there. But another red foil. Then we go to the best rookies: Eloy Jimenez, Fernando Tatis Jr., and Pete Alonso. We didn't get a Vladdy Jr. out of here because I went through it again and checked just to make sure, and we didn't. And then some of my favorites, the Hall of Famers: Ernie Banks, Ennis Eckersley, Bob Feller, Wade Boggs, Barry Larkin, Ichiro. That really cool shot of Edgar Martinez, Honus Wagner, the great Jim Palmer. Not a Hall of Famer, you know, one of the personalities of the game, Bo Jackson. Of course, my all-time favorite player, one of the great players, 3,000 hits, 500 plus home runs, Eddie Murray. That awesome shot of one of the greatest defensive players of all time, Ozzie Smith. The first big-time slugger, one of the great players ever, Babe Ruth. And then Sandy Koufax, the Dodgers great. And the 2 autos, Jose Bracino, however you pronounce his name, and Tuki Toussaint. So, a little underwhelming on the autos, but they're both rookies, so you never know. I mean, the photography is great as usual. Some good-looking autos on card. So, there you go, guys. That's Topps Stadium Club 2019. 2 on-card autographs in every box. So far, like I said, the autographs haven't been amazing. I mean, obviously people pull some good stuff, but taking your chances on one box, I don't know how great the chances are that you're going to pull an amazing autograph, but there's some amazing photography. So if you just want some of these really cool looking base cards and, you know, inserts and stuff like that in your collection, I maybe go pick up a blaster box or maybe some value packs or whatever they have available at places like Target. And that's it, guys. I will see you on the next break.